Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Many people wonder if you can actually earn money by writing reviews on Amazon. The truth is, directly getting paid for individual reviews is largely a myth. Amazon itself doesn't offer direct cash payments for customer reviews. Instead, the real opportunity often comes from gaining access to free products, building influence, and leveraging your reviewing skills in other ways. It's less about a quick payout and more about building a valuable presence over time, which can lead to various indirect benefits. So, if you're not getting paid directly, how does it work? Many reviewers gain access to products through programs like Amazon Vine, where you receive items for free in exchange for your honest feedback. You might also connect directly with brands looking for authentic reviews for their new products. The primary payment here is the value of the products themselves. It's a fantastic way to try out new things without spending your own money, fostering a great relationship with sellers and Amazon. To truly succeed in the Amazon reviewing world, building a strong, credible profile is essential. Focus on writing detailed, helpful, and honest reviews that provide genuine insights for other shoppers. Include photos and videos whenever possible to make your reviews stand out. The more helpful votes your reviews receive, the more visible you become, which can lead to more opportunities and trust from brands. Authenticity is truly your most valuable asset here. While direct payments for reviews are rare, you can certainly earn money indirectly by leveraging your reviewing expertise. Many successful reviewers create their own websites, YouTube channels, or social media profiles. They then link to the Amazon products they've reviewed using affiliate links. When someone buys a product through your link, you earn a small commission. This transforms your reviews into a genuine income stream, turning passion into profit. Remember, honesty and transparency are absolutely critical when reviewing products. Always disclose if you received an item for free or if your review is part of an affiliate partnership. Building a reputation as a trustworthy reviewer takes time and consistent effort, so view this as a long-term endeavor, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Focus on your genuine love for products and helping others, and success will naturally follow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.